Hello again guys, and this is part 2 of how to make a browser using Visual Studio. So let's continue. And now open a toolbox and you need to buy the Benifu the Benifu framework, and drag after you buy it, just drag a Benifu image button out and just size it. And now use you can use Benifu card or a panel. I choose using a panel. And just remember to put the color at control. Now just move that over there. Yeah. Now just move this button inside it, and it doesn't seem to fit. Let's like wait a little bit. Now yes, it fits now. And make this background color transparent so it won't be ugly. And oops, I think I just clicked on the wrong thing. Great. And this is the what do they call the image. You can choose the image over there, and I'm gonna choose this back arrow there. Open it, and okay, it's in here, and copy that. Wait. Oh, I have forgot to change the name to back. And now you can copy that and paste that like 4 times, because we will be using 4 buttons, and we'll be using only 3 buttons. And turn this name into forward, because it's the forward button, and change the image into forward image. I guess I just renamed the image name wrongly. And this will be the reload one. Let me just change the picture first. Okay, and now just change the name to reload, yeah. And now these two are I'm not going to teach this one, and these two are up to you if you want to put them or no. And this is supposed to be the settings, and you'll do it on your own. Yeah, and also remember to change the anchor in the picture. Change the picture into like 3 dots. Wait a minute. It is here. I'll be right back. Yeah, and now I'm here. There you are. And this is the menu button, and this is going to have the user image in it. Now let's see, where's the user image? There you are. Okay, now looks pretty good. But one thing. Yeah, we need to put this panel for the browser there, and just move it inside there a bit, and just put the size. Yeah, just make the color white so like it's good. And we should add the Guna text box. Wait, where's Guna text box? Oh, I forgot to add. Oops. What? Oh, I forgot to add that. Yeah, I just forgot to add that package. Damn it. Then search Guna. And you'll find this Guna UI2 WinForms and click I accept. And just, I guess you need to wait for it to load. It's like 2 minutes or 1 minute. It depends on your Visual Studio, if it's fast or slow. Mine it's like 2 minutes. Just trying to get that thing out. Also, if that thing doesn't come out, just close your if that thing doesn't come out, just close your Visual Studio and load it again. So here you are. And now let's just grab that Guna 2 text box out of here, because that will be very handy. And just click the X button. You don't need to worry anything about it impacting your build, and you have a great free time using it. Don't worry, it won't force you to do anything. Just ignore the message. And now change the anchor. Wait, I just forgot to change the anchor. And now let's see. Yeah, we should change the border radius. Oh my, not very good. Yeah. I guess 11 is suitable. And let me put the placeholder text, like type a URL in there, and it will be better. Now let's put some icons inside. Okay. Let's put that star icon, because every browser does have that star icon. Yeah, where's it? Oh, there you are. Okay, and the left icon should be like the lock one. Yeah. Okay, now we're done with the thing, and just run it. Oh, I just forgot to add something. Yeah, the anchor of this panel. I just forgot to add it, and also this. Now I guess it's good. It's looking very good, and it's working very fine. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.